I don't remember our phone ever ringing like that.
No, I think it's behind the chair there.
Behind the chair.
Where's that ringing even
I can
coming
hear it
from?
from over here, but
Yeah, it's ringing.
oh, it's right there.
No, no.
No, it's right down. I think there's something in there.
Oh, yeah. It's
Just a sec here. Keep
Oh, I
calling.
see it.
Would you
That's
call
why it's
again?
ringing like that.
Call again. Say hello.
Is it working?
Hello.
Hello.
Doesn't work.
Yay. Hello. Hi.
See, it actually works.
Yeah.
He really likes rotary phones.
Goodbye.
Love
She
it.
hung up on me.
Thank you. I love it.
She's slowly becoming a hipster.
Welcome.
That's from me.
You can dial it from there to Nadim's phone.
Love you so much. You were
Sophie?
Yeah.
Dial it from there to Nadim's phone.
Okay, what's your name?
Actually, yeah, that came Kate's boyfriend, Evan, that she had before.
416.
His grandpa had that, and he let me have it. So it's a very old phone.
It's a very old phone,
But he
It's
was
50
good
years
at
old
electronics,
maybe.
so he rigged it up so it works.
Oh yeah, my phone number.
Okay, so
Your number's 416.
No, my phone number.
You said 416.
No,
How do
he said to call me.
204.
He said
Okay,
416.
so-
Yeah, so call me.
2,
761.
0, and then 4,
761.
7, 6,
It's amazing
1.
his old phone still
Yeah.
works.
What's after that?
7744.
7, 7, 4, 4.
Is it busy?
No.
This didn't go through.
It's just beeping.
Try again. Hang it up first.
I don't know why it would work going in but not going out.
No, no.
It's working. It's
Do I have to
Pick
pick
it
up
up,
the
yeah.
phone
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
first?
pick up the phone. Now, 204
0,
4
4,
761
7, 6, 1,
1. What was it, Deb?
and then
761, then
7744.
7744.
7, 7, 4, 4.
Sweet.
Do you hear anything? Hello.
I didn't hear his ring.
Yes, I am. Okay. Are you getting some water? Are you getting water? I know. Okay.
Can hear both.
What? Hi.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Maybe for your birthday.
How do you have a conversation
I
with your
could
own
treat
sister
you
in the
getting
same
a
room
jack
over telephone?
put in her bedroom
Yeah,
or
for sure.
something, so.
She'll be on the phone all
Are
the
you a
time.
hipster now?
Shh, don't tell anybody.
Too late.
We're eavesdropping on your call. There's no